Hello students, how are you all? Myself Ankita Best, and today we will complete our remaining part of chapter number 12, Dressing Up for Space. So students, let's start reading our chapter. And first topic of the chapter is Flying in Space. A spacesuit attached to a rocket-powered backpack is called a Manned Maneuvering Unit, MMU. It has rocket motors to help the astronaut to fly around in space. There is a camera in the astronaut's helmet so the other crew members and scientists on Earth can monitor what the astronaut is doing. So students, what is a MMU? MMU is a rocket-powered backpack that is used in the space by the astronauts to move around because there is no atmosphere in the space, so it is very difficult to move without any assistance. In the MMU, there is a camera also to monitor astronauts' activity by the crew members and the scientists present on the Earth. So students, let's move to our next paragraph, which is modern day spacesuit. Modern day astronauts don't need to wear a spacesuit at all most of the time when they are inside a spacecraft. They wear overalls or even their own clothes. They wear special white spacesuit only when they need to go out into space to do repair work or perform experiments. The most commonly used spacesuit these days is the orange spacesuit. It is worn only during launch and re-entry. The suit has a parachute and other survival items. It is orange to make it easier to spot the crew. So students, nowadays due to the advancement in technology, the modern astronauts don't need to wear their spacesuit all time. They usually wear their all-overs or even their own clothes in the spacecraft. They usually wear white spacesuit during the EV activity and orange spacesuit during the launch or re-entry of the space shuttle. Now students, let's move to our next paragraph, which is interesting facts. Initially, spacesuits were made to fit each astronaut, but now they are of the ready-made. They are made up of different parts in many sizes that can be attached and will fit astronauts of different sizes. Astronauts can select a suit, pack their bags and go. So students, initially first the spacesuits were designed for each astronaut to fit, but now they are ready-made. Now the spacesuits are made up of different parts and they comes in different sizes and shapes that can be attached or fit to astronaut in different sizes. So nowadays astronaut can select their own suit. Now let's move to our next paragraph. Spacesuits have 11 layers. The layers are sewn and cemented together. They are about 4 inches thick. It takes almost 2.5 years to produce a suit and it costs around $2 million. The spacesuit is too heavy for training on Earth. The astronauts use special lightweight parts on Earth and they do lot of training in water. In the pool, they have do all the things they will do on their mission. So students, spacesuit have 11 layers and it is very thick and heavy also. It takes 2.5 years to produce a spacesuit of worth $2 million. So it is very costly also because it is very heavy on Earth. So the astronaut has to take a training underwater. So students, in the underwater training, they do the same things that they will do in their mission in outer space. So students, now let's move to our next paragraph, which is a spacesuit is not easy to put on. It takes an astronaut over an hour to wear a spacesuit with the help of an assistant. Under their helmet, astronauts wear a hat called a Snoopy cap. It has a microphone and speakers, so astronauts can talk to each other. Under the spacesuit, astronauts wear another light suit. It covers their entire body except their hands, head and feet. There are water tubes in this layer to keep the astronaut cool. So students, suits are very heavy to wear. It takes an hour for astronaut to wear it with the assistant. Under the helmet, astronauts wear a cap called Snoopy cap that helps them to communicate because it has microphone, speakers and communication devices. Under the spacesuit, astronauts wear another bodysuit that covers entire body except head, hands and feet of the astronaut. This suit is designed to keep the astronaut cool. So it has so many tubes for cooling the astronaut. Now let's move to our next paragraph, which is future spacesuits. In the future, you might be able to go into space for a holiday. Scientists are researching to design a spacesuit that will be smaller, lighter, and more comfortable. These suits will be better fitted and made of fabric with less metal and rubber. Movements in the spacesuit will be easier. So students, in future, there is a possibility that a normal person can also go to space for a holiday. It is possible in future that the current spacesuit are replaced by the smaller, lighter and fitted or more comfortable version of the spacesuit for all the astronauts. So students, now we have completed our chapter. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.